So let's start. Let's go to Safari or Google and then search YouTube Studio. So just click YouTube Studio and we will go directly to our account. And then click our uploads. And then choose a video that is more than 8 minutes so that we could put ad breaks on the mid-roll and we can manage on it. So let's choose it. And then go to monetization tab. After that, you can see be sure that your monetization is on. And then let's go to during video mid-roll. Click so that it could check and then click manage mid-rolls. So now we can add ad breaks. So you just need to drag the vertical bar to the desired time where you wanted to put ad breaks. Okay, so just drag it, drag the vertical bar. So it's up to you if you want to put lots of ad break. And then so that's it. And then after that, just click continue. After that, click save. Now you already add ad breaks and you manage it already.
Hold up.